In this video, you will learn how to make all cells the same size in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I have opened an Excel sheet. You can easily observe that width of column is different. Similarly, the height of column is also different. You will learn how to make all cells the same size in Microsoft Excel. Firstly, click on this corner. You can see here a arrow sign. Click here. Now you can observe that all sheet is selected. Place your cursor on any line. When double arrow sign appear, drag it down to any direction. You will observe that the width of all columns will be changed and all cells will be the same size. Similarly, I will again place my cursor here. When double arrow sign appeared, I will move it in opposite direction. Now you can observe that width of all columns is changed now and all cells are the same width. Additionally, place your cursor here, right click. Here you will find the option of column width. Select this one to manually adjust the width of your column. I will write 10. After that, click on OK. Now you can see here width of all columns is changed now. Now you will learn how to adjust the height of these cells. Again, click on this corner. All cells will be selected. Now place your cursor on any line. When double arrow sign appeared, you can move it in any direction. Width of all cells will be changed. Now you can see here height is same for all cells. If you are interested to manually adjust the height of these cells, place your cursor here, right click. Here you will find the option of row height. Select desired row height. For example, in this case I will select 16. Click on OK. Now you can see here the height is adjusted according to our requirement. You can observe that all cells have same column width as well as the row height. So by following this video, you can easily adjust the cell size in Microsoft Excel. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.